welcome to my channel. My name is CHIZY'S. I'm super excited to have you here today. On this channel, you will find useful tips and step-by-step guides on how to do certain things yourself from the comfort of your home. I will be posting DIY videos on how to sew, how to cook, how to create and edit videos, how to make certain homemade products like detergents, cosmetics, and lots more. I can't wait to share my passion with you and hopefully inspire you along the way. If you like the content, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated with my latest videos. And don't forget to share it with your friends who might also enjoy it. Your support means the world to me and it helps me to keep creating awesome contents for you. Thanks for coming. Now let's dive right in. Glycerin. This is glycerin. We use 100 ml for 5 liters of car wash. Perfume. Propylene glycol. We use 50 ml for 5 liters. Sodium silicate. We use 100 ml. Okay, so for my car wash, how I prepare my own, I use my already made liquid soap, multi-purpose liquid soap, and do my car wash. And how I do it is this: all the ingredients are just the same, except the fact that I don't add caustic soda to car wash. Why I don't add caustic soda to car wash is because it can remove the paint of the car. It's not good. It's not so good. And some people don't know about this, and they're using it. Before you know it, the paint of the car will be washing, and you'll be wondering why. Caustic soda is so corrosive, and it can wash the paint of the car or change the color gradually. You may not know. So I don't put caustic soda in my car wash. So what I do, I will go to the store where they sell chemicals and tell them to give me 15 liters of ingredients for 15 liters of multi-purpose liquid soap. And so you can see some of the things I'm showing here are just the ingredients you need: your nitrosol, your SLS, Texapon, and all of them, except the fact that I don't put caustic soda. So don't add caustic soda if you're going to follow my video. I don't know about how others prepare, but I don't add mine, and I'm happy for the testimonies I'm getting from the people that are using my car wash. I equally use it for my own car, So when you're done preparing your liquid soap, if you don't know how to prepare your liquid soap, please search for the video in my channel right now, how to make your multi-purpose soap, how to prepare your multi-purpose liquid soap is right here. I will equally try to put the link in the description box. Check it. The only thing I did not add is the caustic soda. So when you're done preparing your multi-purpose liquid soap, 15 liters, I used ingredients for 15 liters, and when I'm done, I will just scoop out 5 liters. That's what you're looking at here. So in 5 liters of already made prepared soap, put your silicate. We're doing 5 liters, and so we're using 100 ml silicate. It's time to add your propylene glycol, 50 ml. Time to add your glycerin, 50 ml. Then go ahead and add your color. Remember to always dissolve your color in water first before you put into your production. This is lovely. Then you can add your perfume of any choice. You're good to go.